In the previous video, we introduced sea clutter and rain clutter settings. In this lesson, we will examine these controls in more detail and understand why correct adjustment is critical for safe navigation. Improper clutter settings may hide small targets or create misleading echoes. Under COLREG Rule 5, every vessel must maintain a proper lookout using all available means, including radar. Sea clutter reduces unwanted radar echoes caused by waves near the vessel. When sea state increases, wave reflections appear around the center of the radar display. If sea clutter is set too low, the screen becomes saturated with noise. If set too high, small targets, such as fishing boats, floating debris, or buoys may disappear. Correct adjustment means reducing wave echoes while keeping real targets clearly visible. Proper sea clutter adjustment ensures reliable detection of small targets. Under COLREG Rule 7, vessels must properly use radar equipment to determine risk of collision. Correct clutter settings may lead to misinterpretation of surrounding traffic. Rain clutter reduces interference caused by precipitation. Heavy rain produces scattered echoes across the radar screen, sometimes masking real targets. If rain clutter is set too low, precipitation dominates the display. If set to high, distant vessel echoes may weaken. Adjustment must balance suppression of rain noise while maintaining target clarity. SOLAS Chapter V emphasizes proper use of radar in assessing collision risk. Radar systems must meet IMO performance standards. However, performance depends on correct operator adjustment. Clutter control directly affects situational awareness. SOLAS Chapter 5, Regulation 19 requires vessels of specific tonnage to be fitted with radar equipment. COLREG Rule 5 requires proper lookout using all available means. Radar is an aid to navigation and does not replace visual observation. Correct clutter adjustment ensures compliance with international maritime regulations and enhances navigational safety. Understanding clutter settings is essential for safe and compliant radar operation. In the next video, we will explore ARPA and target tracking functions. Subscribe to HelmBound, navigation equipment made simple,